In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube Vanced not available. For doing that, I'm opening the YouTube Vanced application. And after opening the YouTube Vanced application, here I'm playing a video. And you can see that the problem arises, the following content is not available on this app. So I'm gonna fix this with some simple tricks. So you have to follow me. So I'm going back and tapping on the YouTube Vanced, long press it. And you can see there is the option app info. We have to tap on it, and then we have to tap on the storage uses option, and from here you have to clear the cache and clear the data also. After that you have to open the YouTube Vanced application again, and now you have to enable everything and tap on the close, and you have to sign in to an account in YouTube Vanced. And then now if I play any videos in YouTube Vanced, you can see that it is playing. So here is how you can fix YouTube Vanced not available.